he hit the corner. He hit the corner. It was coming back. When he rides it, oh, he's coming back. You know what it is? Bike life. Yeah. Damn, bro. Fat bike, dog.
Full throttle, full throttle.
He out here. Got the bikes out. Trying to get this camera set up here. Flip those bar and mirrors. Get a little wash. I almost forgot about her. Yo, he's tripping.
When you get me on camera, make sure I have my helmet on only at all times.
You're not trying to be doxxed?
Nah.
Ooh. Ooh, you're
Persona? You mean persona?
Persona, same thing.
No, it's not.
Same thing, brother. Hey, where the pliers at, G?
You gotta look through that box.
Oh, hell no.
Yo. Healing this thing will go insane.
Hey, so
We got rent. We got this.
This little man's brought out the real toolbox. This is what my toolbox looks like.
There's
Imagine trying to get anything done with this, but sometimes, yo.
oh, wait, right here. Go with this thing.
No.
So, just flipping the handlebar ends for a different look. It was up. Now it's down. Looks more streamlined across the front.
Look.
And then, about to add some tank grips.
Negro. I make it look. Make it look a little.
Add some tank grips.
And then these.
Now that we're riding a little bit more aggressively in the canyons, helps with control of the bike. You know, you don't slide forward when you brake, and you have better grip when you're leaning in the turns.
Great cameo. How about that? Wash it and then. Only thing we didn't do is the little selfie stick shit.
Yeah, the controls look good. Dashboard looks good.
That's clutch. Oh! What you want to have right here because you can't really.
You gotta have no mirrors, bro.
Better with the mirrors low like that. Huh?
It does. Yeah, he like turns around. Oh, there he is. He's coming.
I see him just waiting like he talked to. Watch out for this girl.
He's coming back. Yeah.
See, it didn't sound like that when you were going, but like.
Oh. I'm pushing that much.
Hey, with the power, I knew it was something missing on the first pull. On the first pull, there was something missing. Cause I was going, I'm like, all right, but now, bro, what?
Bro, it sounds insane.
It sounds insane. It sounds crazier now, huh? Let's get one more.
One more? I'll just keep rolling. I'll just keep rolling.
I'm gonna go down. It's gonna come out and then take off.
That shit does not. That did not sound like that when you were going.
On the streets, on the freeway, y'all pushing like that. Right here, bro. I respect the neighbors.
Nah, my dad but my dad's bike is pretty loud, but not that loud.
I don't be pushing like that. He had the back longer than I had, bro. I'm just still getting.
Now I got the RR.
Get the
Tom Cruise is brazy.